Everybody, welcome to our snazzy life. It is before 8 o'clock and I'm walking in, so you know what that means. Pin drop Tuesday. I think the window pins are dropping today, and there's a Toy Story 3 pin that's coming out, so I'm gonna see if I can get my hands on those and see what else I can get into. All right, come on, let's go find out. So it's a little busy. It's 7:53, so I'm gonna try and get in there and get in line before 8, see what I can find. I've been in line since 8 o'clock at the Emporium. It's now 8:25, and like 10 people in front of me, they ran out of the Windows pins, so I'm gonna rush over to Frontierland. They usually have more. I should have just went there from the beginning, but let's see what we can find. Alright, so I'm in line for the Frontierland one. As you can see, the shop's all the way there. It comes all the way out around the castle and back around to us. And it looks like almost everyone in front of us already has bags, so they've already bought them all once. And so everyone that couldn't get them at Emporium is going to be in line to find everyone that already did get them there, and they're getting even more. So we'll see what happens. Alright everybody, well the pin trade was a success. The Stitch 70th came out today, so I was able to secure one of those for Katie, and I was able to get the new Windows pin that came out also. This is the one I was wanting to get, and then there was a new Toy Story 3 that came out today also, so I was able to get one of each of those. And then I am excited. I've been waiting for this set for a long time. The toy box set has finally hit Disneyland. It came out yesterday, I found out. They had those and the trash cans. So I'm going to try and get this whole set and an extra Toad and Cheshire. And the trash cans, we want a Stitch, a Cheshire, and 2 R2s. That's what we're going for. So I'm going to go ahead and open those up and let's see what we can get. Alright, so I'm going to do the toy box first. There are 8 pins in this set. You can see which ones they are. I'm trying to collect the whole set, and I want to get an extra Mr. Toad and Cheshire for my individual set. And today's one of the first days, so I have some friends that are here hoping that I can trade with them. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up and see what I got, and then hopefully they have what I need, I have what they need, and we can all help each other out. So I'm going to unbox these, get them ready, and then I'll show you what I got here in a second. Alright, so I've got everything unboxed, and let's see what I get. Let's see if these are easy ones to rip open or not. Oh, and ones I got to use a pin for. Alright, so the people that are waiting, they got a bunch of Marie. I think they said they got Marie in every box, so let's see what we got. Figment, that's a good one. So I got 10 of these total. I got 5 boxes. This is getting expensive, guys. So, let's see here. And the next one. Ooh, that's awesome. So we got 2. Let's see. And the next one is Toad. That's one that I need. We're hoping I don't have a Marie, I think, in the background. And a Marie. So I did have the extra Marie, but I don't have any dupes yet so far. So let's see. What we got here. Here's the next one. Jiminy, still no dupes. I've gotten lucky so far. I helped a lady out this morning, so hopefully I got good pin karma today. We'll see what happens. So, still haven't got Stitch yet. That's one my wife wants the most. So, let's see. We got Mickey. So far, no dupes out of 6. So, let's see what happens. And oh, a Marie. That's my first one. So I'm gonna have to try to trade a Marie also. I'm not saying you guys hex me, but no. I think there was someone in Frontierland that had extra Toad and Cheshire, so maybe you can see. And Stitch. Alright, so Cheshire Cat's the only one I'm missing. So hopefully I randomly grabbed these, so hopefully there's a Cheshire Cat and a Stitch and or a Toad. So let's see what's in here. Definitely want a Cheshire, so let's see what this one is. Boop. Oh, another Jiminy. And so we need Cheshire to finish the set, but we are going to get 2 Cheshire and 2 Toad. So let's see what we got. The last one is a Toad. So I do have my extra Toad. So I need to trade for a 2 Cheshires. That's what I'm trying to get. So we'll see what I can find from anybody. But all right, and in a second I'll go ahead and open the trash cans that I got. So there's a set. We only want a couple of these, so I'll do those next. So I'm gonna go ahead and trade these people next. All right, so I got 2 bags because we're wanting 2 R2s. You guys can see what they are here. Katie wants Stitch, I want Cheshire, and we both want an R2. So there's a gentleman here that has extra Cheshire, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these up real quick and see what I got. So first one is the Dalmatian. That's a cute one. The next one is Figment. That's a really good one. That's what a lot of people are wanting. Come on, R2. Oh, Mini. I'm hoping to get an R2 in both bags, but we'll find out. Tigger. All right, come on, R2 or Stitch. R2, sweet. So there's still a chance. All right, so R2's what we're keeping. So then we open the other bag. Hopefully we get an R2 and a Stitch and have something that he wants with a Cheshire if we don't get the Cheshire. Let's see what the first one is. Come on. Oh, there's a Belle of the Ball. Come on, R2. R2. Oh, I got the Cheshire. That's one that I needed. I could still trade with him if there's ones he's looking for. Come on, Stitch and R2. Mickey, that's a cool one. All right, I need Stitch and R2 here. I'm gonna have to be trading with people. We got another Figment, which is a really good trader. So, and let's hope we get a Stitch or an R2. Another Dalmatian. So I'm gonna have to trade a little bit to try and get the ones I need, but all in all, we got some pretty cool ones. So, all right, getting sets when they first come out is the way to go. So I was able to trade and get both the Cheshire Cats I needed. And I got Katie's Stitch and R2, and I got my Cheshire and R2. So I got everything we wanted from these 2 sets on the first day. So awesome. I think that's going to be it for today. I'm probably going to head home after this. So thanks for coming along on me on Pin Drop Tuesday, and we'll see you next time on Our Snazzy Life. Deuces.